What's up guys, this is Adam Steele here. Welcome to the Warehouse Gym tutorial. I'm gonna be taking you guys through how the variations and awesome ways to use the Mantis, which is our isolateral row and lat pull down combo. So real quick, let me jump in on this, show you because it's very dynamic, it's very different than being a gyroscopic pull down. So you wanna load some weights on it and then we'll take you through it. One of our first exercises, I can show you with the row grips on the iso row. Really cool, you lift up the knee pad so you can set yourself into it. I like to do an overhand grip to start, so I'll show you the overhand. You rock the pad down, get in a nice comfortable position. Overhand grip. Allow for a full stretch through your arms, releasing your scapulas, and be able to let your shoulder blades just stretch as much as you can, and then set your shoulder blades back, and as you exhale, you pull straight back and through. Now, unique to this machine, being a gyroscopic roll, you want to be able to lead with your elbows. It feels very funky at first, so make sure that as you do it, you lead with the elbows and you open the chest as you squeeze your back, allow it to come to center, and then go wide. So center, allow the full stretch with the full range of motion, and then wide with the elbows thing. Just open your chest and squeeze your back, and you'll immediately feel that activation. Really good one. Second exercise is the prone grip. I like to do this one even isolateral, so one side at a time. So I like to take the vertical grip, come down. With this machine, it's fantastic because I can cross my body and pull it to the outside. Get a really good rotation, stretch range of motion all the way out. Pull it nice and wide to the back, allowing me to activate each side. Getting a good cross body stretch in the lat row. Then I'll show this one. Cross the body and wide. Allows me to rotate around my body with my scapula, down and nice and wide. And the cross. Just like that. Boom. Cool. And that was ISO prone row. A really fun dynamic on this third variation that I like to show you guys is where we go from the row to the lat pull down combo. So this one's fun. All you do is reach up to the handles and you pull it straight down and it shifts the moment arm over so you can have a lat pull down position with the grips. Super cool. So we'll go ahead and grab it and set ourselves up in the seat. Okay, full stretch, and then just think wide as you can go, like a wide lat pull down. Hold it out, nice and smooth, control the weight, allow it to come to center, giving you a full stretch through your back and shoulder blades, and then squeeze down and open. Super good. Just like that. And wides. And boom, there you go. And that is the Mantis isolateral lat pull down. Super awesome. All right, you guys, thanks for checking out these 3 awesome variations on the Mantis row and pull down war machine. So definitely check it out. Don't forget, like and subscribe and leave us a comment once you see it. Let us know what you think. And then remember, always put your weights away.